What's up, YouTube family? I'm back with another one. So today I was thinking about this question. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you might have been a little bit low on cash, or you just struggling to figure out how exactly you can get the bills paid for the month? Well, today what I wanted to do was kind of want to talk about a little secret little hack that I use with my credit card that actually allows me to pay all of my bills with my credit card. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that today. So if you ready, I'm definitely ready. Let's get into it. What's going down, family? It's your boy Mike Macklin, aka Money Mike, the financial Thanos, because I'm snapping my fingers and I'm turning your financial problems to dust. Today we are talking about how you can actually use your credit cards to pay your bills. Now, this is a strategy that I have been using for quite some time here, and what it allows me to do is basically it allows me to pay all my bills with my credit card. For one, it allows me to maximize the rewards and points and different things like that, and just a lot of cool stuff. But what it's going to help you all do is, maybe you're going through a rough financial time, maybe you're going through a rough patch right now, and you looking for ways to continue to kind of keep yourself afloat until you can figure out what to do. So I'm actually going to show y'all today exactly how I use my credit cards to pay my bills. So let's get right into that. I'm going to actually show you right here. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how to do this as far as paying your bills with a credit card. So it's actually really simple, and the bank that I use to do this is actually Navy Federal. And what I do is I use my Navy Federal credit card, and I'm actually able to do something really cool with that. What I'm actually able to do with the Navy Federal credit card is I'm actually able to move money from my credit card actually into my checking account and actually pay my bills that way. So I'm actually going to show you exactly how that's done really quickly here with a practice little transaction. All right, so now we're actually into the account here. What I'm gonna do now is I'm actually going to move the money. Actually, before I get into that, let me let you guys know that what happens here basically is this is what's called you giving yourself a cash advance. The main bills that this really is advantageous for is like your mortgage and your or rent and your car note, because a lot of times they don't let you go in and use your credit card. So this is a good little hack to get past that. All right, so what you're gonna do is once you're in here, you're gonna actually go to where it has transfers, and what you'll do is you'll select from your account. So what you can do is go down to where I use the cash rewards one, because again, you get money back from it. I'll talk about that in another video. And what I'll do is from there I'll actually go in and move it to my checking, and I'm gonna use a real small amount just because again, this is just kind of practice. So at least 50 bucks. I mean, obviously your car note is not gonna be $50, so you'll go ahead and move that over, press continue, and you'll make the transfer. All right, you'll get this message saying the transfer was successful. So we're gonna click done. And now what we're going to do is we're gonna go ahead and go into the accounts. And as you can see, the balance actually went up by that amount. All right, so there you have it. It is just that simple. If you want to start paying your bills with your credit card, it's just that simple. It's as simple as moving money over from one account to other. Now, you will need to have a Navy Federal account to do this. I'm not sure if other accounts are able to do this. I haven't tried it with other accounts. I've only tried it with my Navy Federal credit union card. So this may be, something that you can do with a card that you have. Now, if you don't have a Navy Federal credit union account, what you can do, you can either, if you're a service member, just sign up and get the account, or if you have a family member that's a service member, they can actually get you in, or if it's somebody that you know that has a Navy Federal Credit Union account already, you can actually get their access number from them if they allow it, and you can actually get an account with Navy Federal Credit Union through that. Now, obviously, you know, there's some credit things and other data points that I will talk about maybe in another video, or you can leave questions below and I'll kind of let you know about the data points to get this Navy Federal Credit Union account and the credit card. But I hope you guys enjoyed this information. I really like it a lot because, again, I like to maximize my credit. I like to use the rewards. I like to use the perks. Now, you already was going to spend the money anyway, so why not get the rewards and perks? So hopefully y'all got value from this. If y'all did, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, make sure, if y'all haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can know exactly when I put out more tips and things like that. And I will catch you guys on the next one. And as always, I love you. God loves you. He smiles when he sees you, and he sees you all the time, so he's always smiling. So why aren't we? Y'all take care. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless you all. Gone. Today's video is sponsored by my company, Money Mike LLC. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching, where we talk about strategies to help you to get to your financial freedom, whether it be through making more money, rapid debt elimination, helping you lower your taxes, investment education, or how to repair or build both personal and business credit. Now, if you think you might be interested, my website is in the description box of this video. The website is going to allow you to book a free 30-minute financial planning session with me, and we can discuss if I'm the right fit for you.